freedom to travel and move around the world is still largely linked to fossil fuels. Even mass consumerism, such as buying on a website, requires a large movement of goods. Industry is essential to meet our modern needs, and despite it, it is moving towards eco-sustainability. Managing the challenges of large manufacturing industries is a complex task. Pollution presents Pyxis GC, an innovative and reliable measuring system. It allows to have real-time data through a dense network of instruments connected via the cloud. It is possible to keep benzene data under control in order to monitor and manage logistic and industrial processes, aiming to reduce the impact on neighbouring population. Our solution has a PID detector and a chromatographic column, and also a carrier gas filter. This makes one-of-a-kind monitoring possible, such as in ports with naval traffic and industries. The comparability of the data is an added value of Pyxis GC to support environmental applications. Pollution analytical equipment, the answer to your on-site detection challenges.